Incognito, and I live here at Heritage at Towne Lake. And we are a community of about 110 families, active adults. And about 6 months ago, we had the idea of having a classic car show, and we put it together. And here we are today, January 30th. I think we have 89 cars, even though it's about 35 degrees out. Probably about 200 people have attended the show. Fantastic turnout. Everybody in the community is really supporting it. We have the Cy-Fair Fire Department here. We have cars from about 6 or 7 different car clubs. And quite honestly, even though the weather was not cooperating, I think the spirit of the show is really meeting people, understanding what they love and like, and the passion for their cars. So I'm very excited. We're going to also be doing another one in October, and hopefully the weather will be better then. And thank you very much.
This is my 50 Merc. I've had it about 8 or 10 years, and one of my street rod buddies was telling us about the car show here, and about 8 or 10 of us all came over together, and had my old Merc about 8 or 10 years. Got 64,000 original miles on it. I drive it all the time. Don't know what else to say about it. I'm with a whole bunch of other Mercury guys here. We all brought our Mercs together. And it's a great show. Facilities are great. Got plenty to eat. That's one thing I liked about it was the food. And having a good time. That's what it's all about. Saw a couple of guys I went to high school with here. I ain't seen in 50 years.
I've just been informed we're going to have a rim and limb contest out here a little bit about 4 o'clock. We'll hear some those V8s running.
My name is Doug Descan,
More details
1930 Model A Ford. Took 3.5 years to restore and Roundup restoration. It's not a show car, but it's a parade car and a party car.
Some of the nice weather we've been having.
Hello, my name is Joe Howell, and I'm here for the car show for the first time, and really enjoying seeing all the cars. Of course, I'm a little prejudiced. I like the 1965 Mustang red, white convertible for the towers. We bought it because it's the same year we got married, my husband and I, and we've owned it for like 3 to 4 years, and we've seen some great cars. It's a nice area. I love this area. We're from the Spring area, but this is a really nice area here, and I've enjoyed seeing all the different cars. We go to the nifty 50s, and there's a lot there, but we've seen a lot of new cars here that we have enjoyed. So just very nice, pleasant day, and everybody's been very nice.
bit about your car.
My name's Troy Hawks, Houston Mopar Club president. This is my 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. I've always been a Dodge guy, and NASCAR historic kind of specialty. And my dad had one of these brand new when I grew up, when I was 3 or 4 years old, like my current daughter is. So I've always wanted to have a car like my dad had, and it's very hard to find a Daytona. It took me about 20 years, and I finally got it. So I got my dream car. My little girl and I, we go for little cruises all the time.